In this chapter, we're going to be listing some of the additional Pro Tools resources which can help you out. As a Pro Tools user, you'll find yourself part of an active community of audio recording professionals committed to increasing their skills. I recommend that you visit DigiDesign's website at Video-Tutorials.Net to see some short training tutorials. They do update these frequently, so check it out periodically. You can learn a lot here. It's also a good place to get a schedule of on-site demos and trade shows, etc. Plus, they offer some hardware exchange programs that might be of interest to you if you use HD or LE. In addition, check out the DigiZine and the Digi-Newsletter for tips from professionals, articles on recording, and user stories. Finally, check out this Pro Tools forum. It's located at http://www.protoolsforum.com. And this concludes our overview of additional Pro Tools resources.